Here at Deeper Healing, we utilize IV nutrient therapy. It's an integral part of our treatment because a lot of our patients who come here, they have pollution damage to the enzyme systems that help their body get rid of VOCs, pesticides, herbicides, even molds and mycotoxins and things that have damaged those systems, as well as their digestive system. So what's wonderful about IV nutrients is we go right into the bloodstream to the cells, and we help their body recover much faster and help establish those enzyme systems into a repair state. A lot of things that we do are super-physiological doses of IV nutrients, which is super helpful because we know now with the work of Linus Pauling, who won the Nobel Prize twice, but he's mainly known for his work with high-dose vitamin C, helps vascular inflammation, it helps the immune system re-regulate, it helps neuroinflammation, and he was doing work with high-dose vitamin C for cancer patients and lowering their mortality. He also showed that it really helped with infection. We have a lot of co-infections that occur because of this pollution damage and mycotoxins or whatever exposure the patients have. So this is super important. And the vitamin C doses cannot be given in the GI tract at that level, as well as magnesium. Magnesium, I tell patients you use magnesium every second. And when we're putting patients in this program and we're detoxing and we're transforming these toxins out of the body, we're utilizing a lot of magnesium. Migraine headaches, for instance, your body is having a lot of neurovascular inflammation and spasm, and magnesium IVs, we can give a lot more than we could ever give orally. So this is important. When the body is in a stress response, it's using a lot of cortisol and vitamin C. We are one of the few mammals that does not make vitamin C. So what we've found, and this has been published, is that when you have sepsis or extreme stress, your body's utilizing cortisol and all these adrenaline catecholamines and vitamin C. Well, you use up that reserve pretty quickly, so we give the IV form to help replenish that, and this has been helpful because the patients then overcome the stress response very quickly. The other nutrient that's super important, and I call it the master, is glutathione. So a lot of patients who come here cannot tolerate glutathione orally, but when we bypass the GI tract and we give it to them IV, it's been extremely beneficial. So it is depleted very frequently by mycotoxin exposures. We now know there's a lot of published studies showing that it helps with post-COVID and helps the body with cytokine and inflammation. It helps lower vascular inflammation just like vitamin C. We're now seeing it with RSV in children. It's actually helping them clear infections. So glutathione, neuroinflammation, degenerative disorders like Parkinson's, we have a lot of success just using that IV because we're, again, going right to the system. And then phosphatidylcholine is another IV nutrient that we use very often. Phosphatidylcholine, I kind of call it the super nutrient as well, because when patients come here, their cell membrane is damaged. And the cell membrane is formed by phospholipids, which is one of those nutrients, is phosphatidylcholine. So we give this IV to help repair that cell membrane. Patients often notice right away that their brain function is better. It has choline in it, which is a precursor to acetylcholine, and that neurotransmitter is often super low, also in neurodegenerative diseases. So it's been extremely beneficial for those patients. And it's a emulsifier, so it really helps the lipid and lipid profile of fats in the body, because the liver, I teach patients this, the liver is trying to detox all of these things and it gets inflamed, and one of the most important components is phosphatidylcholine in the bile and the liver system, so it helps the body detox and get rid of those high lipids. And so one of the things I wanted to mention too is that you see IV bars and you see IV places all over the country now, but we at Deeper Healing are really focused on making sure we have high quality nutrients. A lot of patients come here and they're actually sensitive to the different components that are used in other places. They use a lot of times preservative chemicals with the vitamins, and we find that that can be detrimental. We also make sure that we're using a lot of high dose nutrient levels. So a lot of places you go to, it's they don't really tell you what's in it. They don't really, it's vitamin C, but they don't really tell you. So we make sure that we're looking at that with each individual patient. And we also look at, not one size fits all. So we really look at that individual and how their needs are being met and what their requirements are. What are they going to react to? What are they going to benefit from with all these different IV nutrients? So we're getting ready to give Nick an IV, as you can see, and he's going to become a superpower because he's going to get all this super physiological doses of great vitamins and be able to help his cause.